Hi, it's Professor Gressley here, and I am here to help you if things just don't work. Like, what if you've set up everything, you swear you've done everything right, and when you do this, it just won't light up? What do you do next? Okay, well, this is a very common problem to have. It happens all the time. And so troubleshooting your circuit is an important skill, and it's actually one of the things that on purpose we're going to learn. So very few people will actually have everything work all the time. So what do you do when it doesn't? Well, first, just take a look at this. There's like 20 different things that could go wrong here. So let's slowly take things apart and just look at a few things at a time. All right, so here we go. I'm going to just take a light bulb, 2 wires, 1 battery, and I'm going to hook that all up. Okay, and so I make a complete circuit, and if the light bulb lights and this works, then you know that this battery and this pack, this wire, this bulb, this socket, and this wire, all of those things work. So then what you want to do is add things slowly to this. Okay, so maybe we'll add the other light bulb. Okay, so we hook up to that and we add the other light bulb. And you might not be able to tell, but these are lit. If my fingers there, I promise that's not a reflection. Very dimly because they're just one bulb. But now I know that this bulb, socket, and the red wire also work, okay? Then you just keep adding things slowly in, right? So I'll tell you what, my batteries were having a hard time snapping. So maybe that, okay? Now I know that this battery also works. So I know all these things work, and I slowly build myself up till I have the circuit that is required. So I hope this helps you troubleshoot, and as always, send me your questions. I am more than happy to help you out.